In this video, you'll learn how to claim a voucher code in Binance. This process allows you to redeem special offers that can enhance your trading experience on the platform. Following these steps will ensure a smooth and successful claim. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you've entered your credentials and accessed your account, locate the Account Center option. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage. After selecting Account Center, you will see various options related to your account management. Next, look for the section labeled Reward Hub or My Rewards. Clicking on either of these options will direct you to the area where you can manage your rewards and voucher codes. Ensure that you're on the correct screen before proceeding to the next step. After accessing the Reward Hub, find the button labeled Redeem or Claim Code. Clicking this button will open a new field for you to enter your voucher code. It is important to enter the code exactly as it appears to avoid any errors during the redemption process. Once you have entered the voucher code, you will need to confirm your submission. Look for a confirmation button or prompt that allows you to finalize the claim. After clicking this, the system will process your request, which may take a few moments. Be attentive during this time, as it is essential to wait for the confirmation of your claim. Finally, check the status of your reward to ensure that it has been successfully applied to your account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the voucher code has been redeemed. If there are any issues, verifying the code and your account conditions can be helpful. Keep in mind that certain rewards may have specific terms or limitations. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.